Hi, I'm Kathryn Macauley, one of the dental hygienists here at Dr. Joy Dental Clinic, and I'm going to be speaking to you today about toothpicks. So a lot of my patients, they tend to use toothpicks in between their teeth when they have food stuck, but this can actually damage your teeth, especially if you have veneers or crowns. It can actually puncture your gums as well, causing infection. So it's really important to avoid using toothpicks. So when using toothpicks, they can snap in between your teeth, leaving little splinters in between. So it's best to avoid using these altogether. So the other issue with toothpicks is it doesn't actually clean right in between your teeth. So we recommend that you use floss, interdental brushes, or a water flosser. One of our hygienists here at Dental Joy Dental Clinics can show you how to clean in between your teeth during your hygiene appointment.